You can now set a due date to any workflow in Cetec ERP. To set a due date, navigate to any page with a workflow. Here we will look at setting a workflow due date within a sales quote. The first step is to open Quote List and click Quotes. Click New Quote. Within the quote, click Sales Editing to select the workflow. Select the Reassign dropdown. Select the user you want to reassign the task to. Click Reassign, keep Sales Editing. Click Sales Editing to reopen the workflow. Scroll down and click Due Date. We want to set a due date on this task for Tuesday, October 1st at 12 p.m. Select the applicable date and time in the calendar. Click the date. Update the time. Click Set. Scroll down and click Close Workflow. The due date has now been set for the workflow task. Once the due date is set, the selected user will now receive a calendar invite for the workflow due date in their email to add to their calendar. Workflow due dates are also reportable within the new versions of the Quote List, Sales Order List, Production Order List, P-Quote List and User Task List. Open the Quote List to observe. Click Quote List. Scroll and click Workflow Due Date. Observe the workflow due date appearing in the quote list to track. This is how you can track the workflow due date within the Quote List, Sales Order List, Production Order List, P-Quote List and User Task List.